Installing a CX8 adapter and riser assembly. Required tools: a screwdriver for T6 and PH1 screws, water loop miscellaneous kit, SC750 V4, CX8 conduction plate, CX8 gap pad. If installing Connect X8 for the first time, the system supports two types of riser cages: riser cage 1 with A, B printing and riser cage 2 with A, B, C, D printing. Make sure to use riser cage 2 when installing the Connect X8 adapter. The system supports two types of front crossbars. Make sure to use front crossbar 2 if the system uses the Connect X8 shared I/O configuration or Connect X8 socket direct configuration. Unfasten the 30 Phillips number 1 screws to remove the front and the rear cross braces. If necessary, remove the blank bezel filler. If the interface plate was removed, reinstall it on the water loop. Align the interface plate with the two guide pins on the water loop. Place the interface plate on the water loop and then fasten the 5 PH1 screws. Make sure the interface plate is installed with 6 studs. Replace the single-use gap pad on the interface plate with a new one. Align the Connect X8 adapter with the PCIe slot on the riser cage. Carefully press the adapter straight into the slot until it is securely seated. Fasten the PH1 screw to secure the adapter. For shared I/O or socket direct configurations, connect the cable to the adapter. Note: PCIe riser assembly installation rules vary depending on the PCIe configuration, standalone, socket direct, and shared I/O. When selecting a riser slot in which to install a PCIe riser assembly, make sure to reference the rules specified in the front drive and PCIe adapter configuration section of the user guide. Install the Connect X8 riser assembly on the water loop. Fasten the 6 T6 screws in the screw holes marked with a C on the riser cage. Fasten the screws with a torque screwdriver set to the proper torque. Fasten the captive screw to secure the riser assembly to the water loop. Connect the PCIe adapter cables to the system board. Install the front and the rear cross braces, and then fasten the Phillips number 1 screws to secure them. Install the tray cover.